Hi everyone, my name is Kashinath.
Welcome to my channel SK India MGKD, where I share simple and practical English grammar tips to help you speak confidently and correctly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves improving English, you're in the right place. Before we are going to the topic, on this channel, I make English easy to understand with short lessons, clear examples, and quick quizzes. So, if you want to improve step by step, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's start. Today I'll show you 10 common mistakes and how to fix them fast.
Do you make these grammar mistakes? Even Americans do. Let's see if you're guilty of any of them.
These are 10 mistakes, see the list.
1. I could care less. 2. Your versus your. 3. There/there. 4. Me and my friend. 5. Less versus fewer. 6. Who versus whom. 7. It's versus its. 8. Then versus than. 9. Double negatives. 10. Could have/could have. Let's see one by one with examples. Number 1. I could care less. I couldn't care less. Look these two sentences. Here. I could care less. This is wrong. I couldn't care less. This is right. Because.
Right arrow saying I could care less means you still care.
The real meaning is I couldn't care less means zero care. Pushpin example, I couldn't care less about that TV show. Number 2. Your versus your. Look these sentences. You're amazing. You're amazing. Your means you are. So first one is wrong and second one is right. Pushpin example, you're my best friend. Number 3. There/there. Here observe the two sentences. They're going to the party. They're going to the party. So friends here first is mistake. And second one is right. Pushpin tip. There indicates place. There indicates they are. Number 4. Me and my friend. See the sentences. Me and my friend went to the park. My friend and I went to the park. Do you know where is the mistake? Yes, first sentence is wrong. And second is right. Because rule says,
pushpin subject pronoun, I, comes after others.
Let's move the next one. Number 5. Less versus fewer. See the sentences. I have less friends than you. And attention to next sentence. I have fewer friends than you. Are these right? No, first is wrong. Why? Because
pushpin countable equals fewer, uncountable equals less.
Number 6. Who versus whom. So many people do mistakes here. Look the sentences. Who should I give this book to? To whom should I give this book? So first one is wrong and second one is right. Pushpin easy trick, replace with he who, replace with him whom. Number 7. It's versus its. Look the sentences carefully. The dog wagged its tail. The dog wagged its tail. When we are going to write like the sentences, we have to write it's not its. Because it means possession and it means it is. Number 8. Then versus than. It's very simple. See the sentences on the screen. She is taller than me. She is taller than me. What's the difference between these two words? Yes, meaning is very important. So friends, first sentence is mistake and second sentence is right.
Pushpin tip, then means time, then means comparison.
9. Double negatives. Don't use like this. See the sentences. I don't know nothing. I don't know anything.
Here in the first sentence, we see already negatives meaning, so why do we use another negative word like nothing?
So first is wrong, second is right.
Pushpin double negatives cancel each other, meaning becomes opposite.
Let's move the last one. Number 10. Could have / could have. Cleanly observe and listen these sentences. I could have gone there. I could have gone there. Here. Pushpin in speech could have sounds like could have, but writing must be have. So brothers and sisters, first of all I thank you for watching this video and please support me. Which one of these 10 mistakes do you often make? Write your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you get it right. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe and share to your friends. I'll share more short grammar tips every week to help you sound confident in English. Once again, thank you all.